come in.
Dimmed.
I got go, Quinn. Say hello.
Hello.
Where have you
Stop
been
recording
tonight,
video.
Freddie?
Button.
Now, cat night out. Hello, Quinn. This is what Quinn likes to do. He likes to come to me for support when he's been an all day with a mum terrorised him.
Where is he? Is he there? Is he on the video?
I know what it must be like to be with him day in, day out. I can only imagine your pain.
Excuse me.
Poor dog's psychotic. I think the dog needs a glass of wine, not you.
Yeah, thinking about it.
Excuse me, I don't drink.
The way things are
Yeah.
now.
I never drink.
You don't drink less than 3 bottles.
Next time.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Who's the best mother in the world? Hey?
My mate's mum's alright. I'm joking.
What?
I'm joking.
What did you say?
I'm joking, you are, mother.
You don't look like you're sincere.
It's coming from the corner of my heart.
Yeah. You can get lost. I'm not making any more meals so you can get lost. Bye.
Bye.
Stop recording video.